Hi, it's Kitty. Welcome to today's video. As you can see, my face is very naked. If you do not know, I got injured, an eye injury due to a cat scratch, and I cannot wear any eye makeup at the moment, and my eye looks pretty nasty. I have a cut right in the crease of my eye, so that's why I look the way I do, just so you know, first off. And second, I want to give some announcements. So I am currently hosting a giveaway. If you do not know, the link is below. It ends at the end of August, so August 31st, and it is a $500 500 subscriber giveaway. I might have mixed up that. I think the actual name of it is 500 subscriber $500 beauty giveaway. So it's full of makeup and skincare and other beauty items, and at the end of each of my videos I give a sneak peek of one of the prizes, so stay tuned for that. And second, I am changing as of today the upload time, so I'm going to upload every day at 11 a.m. instead of 8 a.m. now. I think that works better for my schedule, and I'm guessing most people are not awake that early, especially if you're on the other coast. That is 5 a.m. so I think 11 a.m. will be better all around, so let me know your thoughts on that if you have any issues. But anyways, let's get into today's box. I am going to unbox my Allure beauty box. It finally came. This one usually does come at the end of the month, and if you don't know, this is a box full of beauty products, like the name suggests. It's $10 for your first month and then $15 per month thereafter. I will leave a link below if you're interested in subscribing or learning more about the box. I do not know what's in this month's. Let's see. So, as usual, there's a pamphlet with a pretty girl on the top. It says, Allure Beauty Box, exclusive promo codes inside. And then on the back, it's the same dollar for a friend. And then inside, it gives pretty good detail about each product you get. So that's nice, and also the full-size price. So, this is what it looks like underneath that card. And this month includes a $30 off, it looks like a watch company, Brito watch. And it says you have until the end of October. So if you're interested, there you go. I never wear watches, but that does look really pretty, doesn't it? It says minimalist inspired watches designed in our Dallas-based studio. It says the watches start at $70, so that'd be like a $40 watch if it looks like that. I wonder if that one's really $70. That'd be awesome. It's cute. But anyways, I am going to pick up the first product I see. This is by Laritzi, which we've gotten in several other subscription boxes. I almost said prescription. Light sticks. So look, this is probably like a highlighter, and I like this company because it is cruelty-free. Let's see. This is big. So this might be a full size, but this is a highlighter. Oh wow. So you get this much in it. That's huge. I wasn't going to announce this yet, but I am going to start doing a project pan with all of my beauty products. Since I have so many beauty boxes, I get so much stuff, and I really want to use it up. A lot of them are sample size or deluxe size, so I think it'll be obtainable, or my goal is to be obtainable as a first-time project panner. Do any of you guys do project pan? Because I'd love to check out your videos or just learn more, and leave a comment below. So this is going to be another thing. Let's see what this looks like. So I've started to look at things. I might do a little trial myself until September starts. There's that. Can you even see? I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. It's really light. I have some foundation on my hand too. Sorry about that. Oh, right here. It feels smooth. So yeah, I'll have to give this a go. I like this. It's really smooth. But anyways, I'm gonna do like a monthly update on that. I'll pick out all my products by September 1st. I'll probably post about it and then just do a monthly thing. So if anyone wants to join me, that'd be awesome. Because seriously, I have a lot of makeup. Even though I've given, like, I have that $500 giveaway, because anything I don't think I'll use, I just put in that pile, or if I already have something similar. So I'm pretty good about not hoarding too much, but I still have a lot. So I'm really excited about that, and I hope you guys are too. So this is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I think I've heard a YouTuber talk about this. Or some other, they don't only use it for bed, they use it during the day too. So this is what it looks like. It's one of those, it's like hollow on the inside, so it's not a huge sample. Oh, I forgot to look in the pamphlet for the price. Ooh, this smells good. Kind of smells like bubblegum type of scent. I like it. It says for all skin. Yeah, I always forget to look at pricing and stuff if you guys care about that, but let's see. So the first product, the Laritzi Cosmetics Light Sticks in Halo, is $24. And I'm not going to read this full paragraph, but that's all it says about it. So that's not awful, but it's still kind of a lot. So the lip mask is $20 for the full price. And let's see how to wear it. So it's an overnight lip treatment. Smells good enough to eat. Sweet like berries. Yeah, it's like berry gum or something. I don't know. I guess it has a light shimmery pink tint. It's a shame to waste on sleeping. So people wear it. Someone wore it on a flight to New York. They said that it lasted 6 hours. So I mean that you should sleep at least 6 hours, right? So it'll last all night and hydrate your lips. That's cool. Let's see what it looks like. Because they said there's a light pink. I want to see if it shows up on my skin. It just looks really clear, but it does feel super soft. There's nothing really to show. But I'm excited about this. I always like products like this that I can actually use every day. All right. So the next thing I see is by Caudalie. God, I really should look up how to pronounce these brands. This is Cream Sorbet. So this is probably like a facial moisturizer. The packaging is super cute, isn't it? Let's see. I have so many little moisturizers. I think I'm gonna do like a skincare pan thing too, but I don't know if I'll. That's just so much stuff. But I do want to start using my little moisturizers. So this is a lightweight moisturizer. Full size is $39. Has a subtle cooling effect, so it's heaven on hot days. Okay, it's really hot in Florida, so I might use this like tomorrow. I'm super excited about this if it is cooling because it's always hot here. I probably am sweating in all my videos. Like I can feel it right now. Okay, and then there's two more things. Shampoo and conditioner by Nexxus. The Carafix Damage Healing Shampoo. So this is what they look like. So they're pretty big. How big are each of these? So they're almost 90 mLs each, 3 ounces. So just meeting the TSA max, so you can fly with these if you wanted. I always think of like hair samples like this as travel, but even though most hotels have shampoo and stuff, I've never tried this one. Let's see if it has a scent. And that's it in the Allure box. It's not my favorite month ever, to be honest. It smells good. Kind of like lavender a little bit. Let's see if it says. See, it's not much makeup. So it's more like skincare type month. Wait, there's one more thing it says should be in here. Oh, yeah. Let me tell you the pricing of the other stuff first. So the shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo is $12.99 for full size, and the conditioner is $17.99. And I don't know if it says anything about the scent there, but it does smell good. So there's one more thing which is good, because I would have been like, oh, I just felt like it was missing something. I think I might have this already though. I have to check. I have a lot of eyeliners, which is another thing I do not use enough, and now I can't wear eye products for a few days, but anyways. Eyeko Skinny Liquid Eyeliner, and this is full size. So this makes me feel a lot better about this box, because if it was just the other stuff, I feel like, is that $15? But this, yeah, this is full size, and it says it's $22. So it's a felt tip liquid liner, and it's the skinny version. So I think I have the fat version of this, and that's probably why I don't really use it, because I don't really do like a fat wing liner ever. But maybe I'll use a skinny one that's less intimidating to me. So it says it's pitch black, precise, and smudge proof. So, okay, cool. So that's everything. Let's do a quick recap, and then I'll show you the sneak peek for the giveaway today. So the Skinny Eyeliner by Eyeko, shampoo and conditioner by Nexxus, the Caudalie, if I'm saying that right, the skin moisturizer, which I didn't mention. This is a pretty good sample for a moisturizer. You can definitely tell if it works for you, because you only need a little bit. It's 15 mLs. The lip mask, which smells really good, and then the highlighter. Where did you go? I think, oh, here it is. And then the highlighter. So this and the eyeliner like made it worth it to me just because their sizes. I think they're big. Yeah, I'm happy with them. I'm glad there was another product, or I would have felt like, you know, I was kind of missing something. But anyways, like I said before, I will leave a link below for our Allure box. And then the sneak peek for today is by Julep. It is one of their nail polishes, and this is in Keaton It Girl. So this is $14, and I may add some other Julep nail polishes too if I do not use them by the time the giveaway is over, because like I said, I'm trying to use my products and purge things that I'm not using. So this is a pretty color that you could use in the fall and now too. pretty neutral too, so you can wear it to work. So yep, this is the sneak peek. So if you've not entered, giveaway link is below. And thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.